Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we've got something big. We're diving into one of the most promising projects at the edge of AI, blockchain, and gaming. It's called Polyhedra, and honestly, if you're into Web3, DeFi, or next-gen gaming, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. So what is Polyhedra? In simple terms, they're solving a huge problem most people don't even realize exists. Can we trust what AI is doing? Like, really trust it? And can we prove it without having to have access to AI model details? That's where Polyhedra comes in. They're building what's called verifiable AI infrastructure. It's all about making AI decisions provable and secure using advanced cryptography. This isn't future vaporware. This stuff is already working across use cases in gaming, DeFi, NFTs, and more. Their core tools, two things you need to know: zkML, which stands for Zero Knowledge Machine Learning, and EXPchain, their blockchain built for fast and secure verification. Let's break that down. zkML is this crazy smart way to let AI say, I followed the rules without showing you how. It gives you mathematical proof the AI acted fairly without having to reveal model details or logic, so it's secure and verifiable. EXPchain is the engine behind it. It's a blockchain optimized specifically to handle these kinds of cryptographic proofs. It makes sure those proofs get logged fast, securely, and with full transparency, without slowing everything down like older chains do. Alright, now here's where it gets exciting. Gaming. You ever play a game where it feels like the AI is cheating? Or you get some loot and you're like, man, is this rigged? Or worse, you lose access to your in-game stuff because the devs pulled the plug. That's the reality of centralized gaming. But with Polyhedra, games become provably fair. Loot drops? Fair. NPC behavior? Fair. Matchmaking? Fair. And not just take our word for it, fair. Like actual cryptographic proof that it was done right. No more hoping the system's fair, you know it is. And since the AI runs off-chain but posts proofs on-chain, you still get smooth gameplay. It doesn't lag, it doesn't choke the network, and proofs are verified on-chain for anyone to see. So you get the speed of off-chain AI plus the transparency of on-chain logic. That's a rare combo. And if you're into competitive gaming or play to earn, this is huge. No more shady matchmaking, no more invisible buffs or nerfs. With zkML, all the rules are public and provably followed. Even anti-cheat systems get a big boost. Games can check for aimbots and hacks without revealing how they do it, so cheaters can't work around it. And legit players get proof that the system's treating everyone equally. Now shift gears a bit, DeFi and crypto. Let's say you're using an AI bot to manage trades. It's moving your funds, executing strategies. But how do you know it's doing what it promised? Polyhedra's zkML can prove that the AI followed the right steps without revealing the actual algorithm, so you get confidence and protection. Or take NFT drops. We've all seen shady launches where the rare items get sniped by insiders. With zkML, rarity distribution can be proven fair without leaking the metadata early. That's trust baked right into the mint. Same for smart contracts. You stake funds into a protocol. Polyhedra lets you verify the contract's doing exactly what it said. No hidden fees, no backdoors, no rug pulls, and there's more. DAOs, voting systems, reputation scores, ad revenue splits for creators. Every one of these can be verified now without specifics around individual voters. That's next level transparency. So yeah, there's a lot to love here. First, it's fast. Computations happen off-chain, so you don't sacrifice performance. Whether it's a game or DeFi app, users don't feel any slowdown. It's secure and verifiable. You don't need access to model weights, training data, or complex application logic. The system proves what happened without showing how, and it's flexible. Devs can integrate zkML and EXPchain into their existing tools, whether they're building a Web3 game, a crypto hedge fund, or a decentralized social platform. It works across industries: gaming, finance, NFTs, content, governance, you name it. It's not locked to one niche. Now I'll be honest, this stuff is still pretty new. Developers will need to get familiar with zkML and how to work with proofs. And adoption from big legacy studios might take time because, well, change is hard. But given where things are headed, this is the kind of foundation they're going to need, whether they realize it yet or not. So if you're a builder, a gamer, an investor, or just a curious explorer in the Web3 space, Polyhedra is something you absolutely need to check out. They're not just talking about AI trust, they're actually proving it in real time with real math, for real use cases. And that's it for today. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. We've got more deep dives coming on the wildest innovations in Web3, AI, and the future of gaming. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.